Previously on Claire's vlog.
Binabati ko ang aking anak na si Laila.
Hey, happy birthday!
Good morning.
Simpleng thank you lang, okay na sa mga tinulong ko sa inyo. Ha?
So, meron kaming event later. Like dinner.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Oh, tapos na meron pa po.
Happy birthday!
To my tita, my gorgeous tita. Thank you so much for always there for me. Pag-alaga sa akin since birth. You're my best friend, my forever best friend. And guys, dapat gano'n. Dapat best friend si mommy. Masaya na lang guys sa Facebook. Kasi gusto ko sa mismong day. I love you so much.
Ang kanya, tignan mo. Tinabi ko lang sila.
Happy birthday, Yoya. Sana long life.
Ito po sa mga pera po ni binibigay mo po. At thank you po sa mga mga pagkain po na binibigay mo din po. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Yoya po. May you always have a lot of birthday. I love you. I love you po. Happy birthday, Lola Lay. Love you, Lola Lay.
Kiss.
Kiss. Si Audrey daw. Audrey!
Audrey!
Happy birthday, Yoya.
Yoya. Kiss. Happy birthday. Malapit ka nung dalawa. Tawag po niya sa akin, tita. Tita.
Okay, sasabihin.
Tita, happy birthday!
Thank you po sa lahat ng bibigay niyo po.
Thank you. Thank you, Tita.
you po sa lahat ng binigay niyo po sa amin. Wishing you all the best po. More blessings to come po. Love you po. Happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday, Tita. Thank you for help ever since we were kids and until now. Thank you for letting us experience things we couldn't on our own. May your day be filled as amazing as you are. Wishing you a day filled with joy and the year ahead full of good and health and happiness.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Wish ko lang po sa iyo sana umaba yung buhay ko lalo. More blessings to come po. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga biyayang binigay niyo sa amin, sa mga sakripisyo niyo po.
Wow!
Happy birthday po. I love you.
Daddy.
Happy birthday, kids. Sa akin, simpleng thank you lang, okay na sa mga tinulong ko sa inyo. Ha? Ikaw ang kapatid na hindi pwedeng isang tabi at kalimutan. At yung kapatid natin na nasa heaven na, ganito rin ang sasabihin sa'yo.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sana sa mabuting kalagayan tayo lahat. Binabati ko ang aking anak na si Laila na sana maraming birthday darating para sa kanya. Para siya ang lahat sa amin. Siya lahat sa amin. Sana pinapanalangin ko sa Panginoon na haba pa sa kanyang buhay para sa ganun sa kanyang katuwang sa buhay. Dalawa, si anak ko Pay, si Apo Kuklang, silang katuwang tatlo sana tulong silang gumagawa ng kabutihan papunta sa mga buhay na walang hanggan at sama-sama tayo doon. Thank you very much. I love you.
Si Kuya Rai, guys. May message. Nag-work. Yeah, I'll go. Video call natin. Wish.
Thank you. I love you. Love you.
In behalf po ng mga anak po ni Mami Lerma, happy birthday po, Tita. And I just want to say thank you po sa pagmamahal po ninyo sa amin lahat. Even po sa akin, hindi man po ako tunay na pamangkin, pero never ko po na-feel na hindi po ako belong sa tatay. So, thank you po, Tita. Kahit wala po si Mami dito, kayo po yung tumayong magulang po namin lahat. And we're very grateful and thankful po sa buhay po ninyo. And we wish you po na sana i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord and bigyan pa po kayo na mas mahaba pa po, masaya and peaceful pa po na buhay and mas i-bless pa po kayo. Thank you po for everything. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate. More candles to blow. Thank you po sa lahat. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Thank you po sa lahat. Simula po nung nanganak po ako, tinulungan niyo po ako. Tinulungan niyo din po ako kay Clyde ng may sakit po siya sa pag-aalaga po, sa pagbibigay po ng pagkain. Thank you po sa lahat. Sana po maging healthy ka po araw-araw, mababa po yung buhay niyo. Thank you po. I love you po. Arnel.
Happy birthday po, Ate. Wala na po akong sasabihin na nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord dahil binigyan niya po kami ng sobrang bait na amo ko. Thank you po.
Lapit na guys! It's my birthday! Lapit na! Ayan na! Happy birthday!
Hey, happy birthday!
Good morning! Good morning!
Hey, wow!
Wow.
Breakfast! Look! It's birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ayan si Tita Boy. Birthdays!
Ngayon lang daw. Thank you, Mommy. I love you. I love you too. Oh, Daddy, what will you say? Ano lang always? Ulit, ngayong morning.
Breakdown. Happy birthday.
Oh, tapos meron pa po. I love you. Love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Tita. 2:30.
2:30 na?
Ng hapon. Wow.
Bakit 2:30? Mami, yun.
Tastes like a Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in.
Used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her.
Naman mag-swimming, guys.
Guys, si Clam Girl.
Hi, guys! So, meron kaming event later. Like dinner. Ayun si Labi. Hi, happy birthday again!
Birthday. Still my birthday.
Yeah. So, ayan.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying. Fit in when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space.
Wow, so sweet.
Tita, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo.
Opo.
Bye-bye. Yo-yo kiss. Ayaw niya. Bye-bye.
Ready?